Top 25 General Ledger Interview Questions and Answers. A general ledger accountant plays a vital role in maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring the integrity of a company's accounting system. Employers look for candidates who understand accounting principles, financial reporting, reconciliations, journal entries, and month-end closing procedures. Preparing for common interview questions can help you demonstrate your technical knowledge and problem-solving abilities with confidence. In this guide, you'll find the top 25 general ledger interview questions, along with professional answers that will help you impress hiring managers and increase your chances of securing the job. 1. Tell me about yourself. A general ledger professional should highlight accounting experience, technical expertise, and attention to detail. Begin by mentioning your education and relevant accounting background. Discuss your experience with journal entries, reconciliations, financial reporting, and month-end close activities. Mention ERP systems you've used, such as SAP or Oracle, and emphasize your analytical mindset, accuracy, and teamwork. Conclude by explaining that you're seeking an opportunity where you can contribute to accurate financial reporting while continuing to grow professionally within the accounting field. 2. What is a general ledger? A general ledger is the primary accounting record that contains all financial transactions of a business. It organizes information into various accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Every financial transaction eventually impacts the general ledger through journal entries. It serves as the foundation for preparing financial statements, like the balance sheet and income statement. Maintaining an accurate general ledger ensures reliable reporting, supports audits, helps management make informed decisions, and ensures compliance with accounting standards and company policies. 3. Why is the general ledger important? The general ledger is essential because it provides a complete and organized record of every financial transaction within an organization. It helps accountants prepare accurate financial statements, perform account reconciliations, identify discrepancies, and support audits. Management relies on general ledger data to evaluate financial performance and make strategic decisions. Accurate ledger records also ensure compliance with accounting standards, tax regulations, and internal controls. Without a well-maintained general ledger, reliable financial reporting would be difficult to achieve and maintain. 4. What are journal entries? Journal entries are the initial records of financial transactions in the accounting system. Each journal entry includes at least one debit and one credit to maintain the accounting equation. They record transactions such as expenses, revenues, accruals, depreciation, and adjustments. Once approved, journal entries are posted to the general ledger, where they affect account balances. Accurate journal entries are critical because they ensure financial records remain complete, support reliable reporting, and reduce the risk of accounting errors or audit findings. 5. What is the difference between the general ledger and the trial balance? The general ledger contains detailed records of every financial transaction organized by individual accounts. In contrast, the trial balance is a summary report listing the ending balances of all general ledger accounts at a specific date. The trial balance verifies that total debits equal total credits before preparing financial statements. While the general ledger provides detailed transaction history, the trial balance serves as a checkpoint for identifying posting errors and ensuring accounting accuracy before the financial reporting process continues. 6. What is the month-end closing process? The month-end closing process involves completing all accounting activities required to finalize financial records for a reporting period. It includes posting journal entries, recording accruals and adjustments, reconciling accounts, reviewing account balances, correcting discrepancies, and preparing financial reports. Accountants ensure every transaction has been accurately recorded before closing the accounting period. A successful month-end close provides management with reliable financial information, supports compliance, improves reporting accuracy, and helps organizations make timely business decisions based on current financial results. 7. How do you perform an account reconciliation? Account reconciliation involves comparing the general ledger balance with supporting documents such as bank statements, vendor statements, or subsidiary ledgers. First, verify that all transactions have been recorded correctly. Next, identify any differences, investigate their causes, and prepare adjusting journal entries if necessary. Finally, document the reconciliation and retain supporting evidence for audit purposes. Regular reconciliations help detect errors, prevent fraud, maintain accurate financial records, and ensure the integrity of financial reporting throughout the accounting cycle. 8. What accounting software have you used? I have experience using accounting systems such as SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, QuickBooks, or other ERP platforms depending on the organization. My responsibilities included posting journal entries, managing general ledger accounts, performing reconciliations, generating financial reports, and supporting month-end closing activities. I learned new accounting software quickly because I understand core accounting principles. Strong technical skills, combined with attention to detail and analytical thinking, allow me to work efficiently across different financial systems and reporting environments. 9. What is the difference between accrual accounting and cash accounting? Accrual accounting records revenue when it is earned and expenses when they are incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. Cash accounting records transactions only when cash changes hands. Most medium and large organizations use accrual accounting because it provides a more accurate picture of financial performance. As a general ledger accountant, understanding accrual accounting is essential since month-end adjustments, financial reporting, and compliance with accounting standards depend on this accounting method. 10. What are adjusting journal entries? Adjusting journal entries are made at the end of an accounting period to ensure revenues and expenses are recognized in the correct period. Common adjustments include accrued expenses, prepaid expenses, depreciation, accrued revenue, and deferred revenue. These entries help maintain accurate financial statements and comply with accounting principles. Before posting adjustments, I verify supporting documentation, review calculations carefully, and ensure every adjustment is properly approved to maintain the accuracy and reliability of financial records. 11. How do you ensure accuracy when posting journal entries? Accuracy begins with reviewing supporting documents before preparing any journal entry. I verify account codes, amounts, dates, and descriptions while ensuring debits equal credits. After posting, I review the transaction in the general ledger and reconcile affected accounts when necessary. I also follow company approval procedures and maintain proper documentation for audit purposes. Paying close attention to detail, double-checking calculations, and following standardized accounting processes help me minimize errors and maintain accurate financial records consistently. 12. What steps would you take if you discovered an accounting error? If I discover an accounting error, I first investigate its source by reviewing supporting documents, journal entries, and account activity. I determine the financial impact, discuss significant issues with my supervisor if required, and prepare a correcting journal entry with appropriate documentation. After correcting the error, I verify that financial reports remain accurate. Finally, I identify the root cause and recommend process improvements to reduce the likelihood of similar errors occurring in the future. 13. What is a suspense account? A suspense account is a temporary account used to record transactions when complete information is unavailable or when the correct account cannot immediately be identified. Once the missing information is obtained, the transaction is transferred from the suspense account to the appropriate general ledger account. Suspense accounts should be reviewed regularly because long outstanding balances may indicate unresolved accounting issues. Proper management ensures financial statements remain accurate and prevents reporting errors during the closing process. 14. What is depreciation and why is it recorded? Depreciation is the systematic allocation of a fixed asset's cost over its useful life. Instead of recording the full expense at purchase, depreciation spreads the cost across multiple accounting periods. This approach follows the matching principle by recognizing expenses alongside the revenue generated by the asset. General ledger accountants calculate and record depreciation through journal entries, ensuring accurate financial reporting, proper asset valuation, compliance with accounting standards, and reliable profit measurement for each reporting period. 15. How do you prioritize tasks during the month-end close? Month-end close requires strong organization and time management. I begin by reviewing the closing schedule and prioritizing high-impact activities, such as journal entries, reconciliations, accruals, and financial reporting deadlines. I communicate with other departments to obtain missing information promptly and monitor progress throughout the close process. When unexpected issues arise, I address critical items first while maintaining accuracy. Effective planning, teamwork, and attention to deadlines help ensure the financial close is completed efficiently and on time. 16. How do you handle tight deadlines and pressure? I stay calm under pressure by planning my workload, organizing priorities, and focusing on high-risk tasks first. I create daily task lists, monitor deadlines, and communicate proactively if challenges arise. During busy month-end periods, I maintain accuracy by reviewing my work rather than rushing through it. I also collaborate with colleagues when necessary to resolve issues efficiently. Remaining organized, disciplined, and detail-oriented allows me to consistently deliver high-quality financial work within strict reporting deadlines. 17. How do you prepare for an external audit? Preparing for an external audit begins with ensuring all general ledger accounts are reconciled and supported by accurate documentation. I organize journal entries, invoices, bank reconciliations, fixed asset schedules, and supporting reports for easy access. I review financial statements for accuracy and resolve outstanding discrepancies before the audit begins. During the audit, I respond promptly to auditor requests, provide complete documentation, and communicate clearly to ensure a smooth and efficient audit process. 18. What are internal controls in accounting? Internal controls are policies and procedures designed to protect company assets, prevent fraud, ensure accurate financial reporting, and maintain compliance with regulations. Examples include segregation of duties, approval workflows, account reconciliations, restricted system access, and regular audits. As a general ledger accountant, I follow established internal controls carefully when posting journal entries, approving transactions, and maintaining documentation. Strong internal controls increase financial reliability and reduce the risk of costly accounting errors or fraud. 19. What financial statements are prepared using the general ledger? The general ledger serves as the primary source for preparing key financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flows, and statement of changes in equity. These reports summarize the organization's financial position and performance for management, investors, auditors, and regulatory authorities. Accurate general ledger balances are essential because even small errors can significantly impact financial reporting, business decisions, compliance, and the organization's overall financial credibility. 20. How do you maintain confidentiality when handling financial information? Maintaining confidentiality is a critical responsibility in accounting. I ensure financial information is shared only with authorized individuals and follow company policies regarding data security and document handling. I use secure systems, protect passwords, avoid discussing sensitive information in public, and store financial records appropriately. I also comply with confidentiality agreements and ethical standards. Protecting confidential financial data builds trust, supports compliance, and safeguards the organization from legal, financial, and reputational risks. 21. What would you do if your general ledger did not balance? If the general ledger does not balance, I would first verify that all journal entries were posted correctly and confirm that debits equal credits. Next, I would review recent transactions, reconciliations, and system reports to identify discrepancies. I would investigate missing or duplicate entries, incorrect account postings, or calculation errors. After identifying the issue, I would prepare appropriate corrections, document the changes thoroughly, and verify that the ledger balances before finalizing financial reports. 22. How do you stay updated with accounting standards and regulations? I stay current by participating in professional training, attending webinars, reading accounting publications, and following updates from recognized accounting organizations. I also review company policies whenever accounting standards change and discuss new requirements with colleagues and supervisors. Continuous learning helps me apply current accounting principles correctly, improve compliance, and maintain high-quality financial reporting. Staying informed ensures I can adapt quickly to regulatory changes and evolving industry best practices. 23. What qualities make a successful general ledger accountant? A successful general ledger accountant combines strong analytical skills, attention to detail, integrity, time management, and technical accounting knowledge. Accuracy is essential because even minor mistakes can affect financial statements. Good communication skills help when collaborating with auditors and other departments. Problem-solving abilities are valuable for resolving discrepancies efficiently. Additionally, adaptability, organizational skills, and proficiency with accounting software enable accountants to meet deadlines while maintaining reliable and compliant financial records. 24. Why do you want to work as a general ledger accountant? I enjoy accounting because it combines analytical thinking with problem-solving. and contributes directly to an organization's financial success. The general ledger function interests me because it plays a central role in maintaining accurate financial records and supporting business decisions. I appreciate the responsibility of ensuring financial integrity while working with financial data and reporting processes. This role also offers opportunities for continuous learning, professional growth, and developing expertise in financial management and accounting systems. 25. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I possess strong accounting knowledge, attention to detail, and a commitment to accuracy. I have experience preparing journal entries, reconciling accounts, supporting month-end close activities, and maintaining general ledger records. I learn new accounting systems quickly and work effectively under deadlines while maintaining high-quality standards. My analytical skills, integrity, teamwork, and dedication to continuous improvement enable me to contribute positively to your finance department from the very beginning. Preparing for a general ledger interview requires both technical accounting knowledge and the ability to explain your experience confidently. Employers seek candidates who can maintain accurate financial records, perform reconciliations, support month-end closing, and ensure compliance with accounting standards. Reviewing these top interview questions and practicing clear, professional answers will strengthen your confidence and improve your interview performance. With proper preparation, you'll be well-positioned to demonstrate your value, impress hiring managers, and secure your next general ledger accounting opportunity.